Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can add or change the avatar in the Waze application. So at the start open my Waze and tap on your profile icon. Then choose account and login. And how you can see there we have an avatar. Now just click on this little blue icon and decide that you want to take a photo or just choose something from the gallery. If you want to pick the photo from the gallery, you have to add the permissions. I will take a photo now. If you like your photo, click accept icon. And that's it. Your new avatar should appear in a few minutes. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.